Once upon a time, in a land far away, there lived a little girl named Jane Porter. Jane was known for her kind heart and curious mind. She lived in a quaint little cottage surrounded by a beautiful garden. One sunny day, Jane found a curious seed in her garden. It was small and shiny, with a bright red color. She decided to plant it and watch it grow. Days passed, and to her surprise, the seed grew into a beautiful flower. It was the most beautiful flower Jane had ever seen, with petals that shimmered like gold. Jane was amazed and couldn't wait to show it to her friends. As she walked to the village, she noticed a little bird following her. The bird was small and had feathers that sparkled like the flower. Jane welcomed the bird and named it Goldie, after the golden flower. In the village, Jane showed her new friend, Goldie, to everyone. They were all amazed by the beautiful flower and the tiny, shiny bird. A cheer went up, and everyone agreed that it was the most wonderful day they had ever had. That night, as Jane lay in bed, she made a wish. She wished that she could share the beauty of the golden flower and Goldie with the world. As she drifted off to sleep, she felt a warm, golden glow surround her. When Jane woke up the next day, the world was a different place. The flowers in her garden were more vibrant, the birds sang more beautifully, and the sun shone brighter. And there, in the center of the village, was a magnificent golden tree, its leaves shimmering like the flower from her garden. Jane was amazed. She ran to the tree, and there, perched on a branch, was Goldie. Jane climbed the tree and picked a leaf, which turned into a tiny seed. She took it home and planted it in her garden, hoping that one day it would grow into another beautiful golden tree. From that day on, Jane shared the beauty of the golden flower and Goldie with everyone. The world was a more beautiful place because of her, and she lived happily ever after. The end.